Electroless nickel with PTFE, or Teflon, is an advanced coating with low friction and release performance benefits on parts used in countless industries around the world. One of the key parameters to ensure the optimal application of this coating is proper maintenance of the PTFE concentration in the Electroless nickel plating bath. This video shows a reliable method to measure the PTFE concentration for coating consistency, quality, and bath life. A description of the apparatus needed to perform this analysis is included in the notes to this video. Start by weighing a clean and dry filter paper as specified on a digital scale with 3-digit accuracy. This will be the before weight. Assemble the apparatus as shown in the video with the filter paper securely pressed flat in place at the bottom of the funnel section. Next, connect a hose from a suction motor to the apparatus. An alternative device is also available to use a water faucet to provide the necessary suction. Pipette exactly 10 milliliters of the well-mixed Electroless nickel PTFE plating bath. Before dispensing the sample of the Electroless nickel PTFE plating bath into the funnel section of the apparatus, turn on the suction pump and squirt in a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to wet the filter paper. Wait as the plating bath sample is drawn into the flask. Bubbles or foam is natural. Spray a little isopropyl alcohol into the apparatus to help rinse the filter of all bath residue, so only the PTFE will be contained on the filter paper. Carefully remove the filter paper from the apparatus and lay it in a clean, heat-resistant watch glass. Carefully place the watch glass with the filter paper on a hot plate set to 100 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. It will normally take about 30 minutes until the filter paper is completely dry. Take the fully dried filter paper and weigh it again. The difference in weight from the initial before filter paper will be the weight of the PTFE particles in 10 milliliters of EN bath. Multiply this weight gain by 100 to get the grams per liter concentration of PTFE in the plating bath. Consult your surface technology representative for more information on the proper range of PTFE for the bath and how to replenish as needed with fresh PTFE dispersion. The Surface Technology team hopes this video is helpful to your best practices of Electroless nickel plating. For more information, please see the websites and YouTube channel addresses listed on the screen. By subscribing to this channel, you will be notified each time we launch additional videos. We also invite you to contact us for any additional assistance you would like regarding Electroless nickel plating, single-component one-plate solutions, and composite Electroless nickel with materials such as PTFE, diamond, silicon carbide, boron nitride, and more for advanced performance. In addition to the resources in our plating shop, manufacturing operations, and R&D laboratory, Surface Technology is supported worldwide by an outstanding network of distributors that can provide one-plate solutions, as well as other chemicals, equipment, and plating services. Our products are made by platers, for platers. Thank you.